What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel yet again. I cut my hair off and it still looks like crap. Today's video is gonna be short and simple. We're doing a little mod to the white Jeep here. We're back in the driveway working on her yet again. I got a mod for free pretty much, so I'm gonna slap it on here and see what it looks like. So let's get to work. Alright, yes guys, I got some wheel spacers. But I got these because I may have purchased something. Matter of fact, I'll give you a little sneak peek of it. This is the wheel of the new purchase, guys. This is it. And it's in my driveway, just so you know it's mine. It's in my driveway. Look forward to a reveal video and a lot more videos on this thing. Let's get back to the wheel spacers. Alright, so we're back with the wheel spacers here, guys. Like I said, I got these with the purchase of the new off-road rig. Me, personally, I'm not gonna put wheel spacers on a Jeep that I'm off-roading. Like, I don't want to be climbing a rock and then that's when this thing snaps and it falls off and I'm in the middle of the woods. So I'm not gonna put these on the new purchase. I'm gonna put them on my white Jeep. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna clean them up. They're really dirty. So this one has hub oil grease all over it. So I'm gonna clean them up. Then I'm gonna show you how to put these on properly. Not exactly sure what size these are. I think they're 1.5 inches, 2 inch. You guys tell me. Let me just give you a little bit of before what the wheels look like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before. I have one bolt in there right now, so it's not completely flush against the hub. You can see it's inside the wheel well. Does no poke at all. That's basically what it looks like before you put the wheel spacer on. So let me get to cleaning these up and then we're gonna put them on. Alright guys, get to work. The weight I put on me. They're about as clean as I'm gonna get them. Power wash, spray cleaned, wire brushed them down. Whoever had these on there before they really used them. That's as good as I can get them. So now it's time to install. First, I'm gonna grab this one. Fuck, the wheel's still on there. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna install the first one. What I've seen online, what I've seen a lot of people do, is put thread locker on, just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna put them on the actual bolts where the tires go to, and I'm actually gonna put some on the bolts to the hub. So let me do that real quick. Inside, I feel so gone, broken. High strength thread locker, high strength Loctite thread locker. That's what I'm using. I'm letting your love work through me. So yeah, it's tighten each one down, star pattern. I'm just gonna do it by hand and assume that they're tight. Not stupid, but that's all I got right now. So star pattern, don't remember to forget. And it's really kind of hard to do it on mine because my handbrake is not the strongest, so I can't really get it as tight as I want to. Too much, too tough to heal. I needed time. Alright guys, so wheel spacers are installed. The wheels aren't on, but they're installed. Let me show you. The wheel spacer itself, I don't know if these work for my Jeep because some you see are flush with the bolts. That's as tight as I can get them, and some are deeper in there. I don't know if it's just my lugs or what, if these are actually wrong spacers for this type of vehicle. I don't know. I don't have any specs on them. The guy didn't give me any specs. I mean, they're on there pretty tight. I also thread locked all of them. They're all thread locked. High strength thread locker on all of them. But other than that, they're perfectly tight on there. So let's get the wheels on. You see, it's poking out pretty good now. Not as much on this side, but it is poking out pretty good. It does have a way more aggressive stance, but you can see how much it kind of like sticks out, how much it pokes now. It's poking pretty good there. It's really aggressive now. It's really aggressive. I like it. It looks way better. Surprisingly, I have full lock still. No rubbing. Very close. Very, very close. I can still pick my fingers behind there. Maybe with a little bit of tire flex and some movement, I might rub a tad. It's not rubbing. Surprisingly. I'm really surprised that it's not rubbing. Alright guys, I'm sitting down to end this video. It's hot, but that's the video. Just installed some nice wheel spacers and gave the white Jeep a nice little stance now. She looks really good now. I really like it. If I have some fatter tires on there, some more aggressive tires, it will look really good. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. Got a new purchase. I showed you in the beginning of the video. Video on that coming very, very soon. Might reveal on Instagram before YouTube, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go check that out. Other than that, that's it. short, quick video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe, I'm growing. If you like these types of Grand Cherokees, a WJ, make sure you subscribe because I got plenty and plenty videos coming for you guys about these things. I'll talk to y'all later. It's hot. It's summertime in Georgia, man. I need a garage, something. A mister, like the water mist, not an actual Mr. Dude or something. What am I talking about? I'll talk to y'all later. Goodbye.